Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you how to enable and use one-handed mode on this device. So the one-handed mode feature is very useful for you if your phone is very big for you and you cannot reach the top part of your screen using just one hand. So let's first of all enable it. Let's go to settings, and you want to scroll to section that is called accessibility and convenience, and from here find one-handed mode. So let's enable it. And how to basically activate this one-handed mode. You have to gently swipe down on the very bottom edge of your screen like this. Sorry, not like this, but you have to do this this gesture, and this screen will immediately shrink, pulling the entire active display down toward the bottom part of your phone. So when one-handed mode is activated, you can reach and tap any button or element that you need at the top part of your screen using your single thumb. So let me demonstrate it to you. So let's suppose that I want to reach the top part of my screen and I cannot do it. I will enter my one-handed mode, and now I can reach everything I need in the top part of my screen. So how to exit this one-handed mode? It's very simple. Let's enter it, and you have to tap the empty black area at the top of the screen to exit this one-handed mode. Or you can simply wait a few seconds until the mode automatically will exit if no interaction occurs. So that was the one-handed mode tutorial on OnePlus 15 device. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.